Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. I just want to make a video about the forest.
Oh, yeah. No, those are type of flowers.
Minus the sound of the outside police sirens. The forest is, in my opinion, a tiny bit of heaven, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in his book of love that heaven is green and you'll be reclining on green couches. Yes, it'll be velvet, or like velvet, but come on. This is like the closest thing we have to that example. And one thing I like about the forest is, let's move to one side, Mama. One of the things that I like about the forest, yes, it's a great way to connect with nature, and to ponder on Allah's creation, but also it reminds us of the cycle of life and death. Look at this tree, look at this beautiful, grand tree. It reminds us of the circle of life and death and so forth. But look, there are so many health benefits to touching trees, by the way. I'll make another video about it. Look at this. The forest demands nothing from you. It doesn't take anything from you. It doesn't need anything from you. It simply is the forest. Look after yourself. Assalamu alaikum.